Behind every incredible game day, every unforgettable fan moment, and every live event, there's a team of talented event producers making it happen. DakClassroom, an event production curriculum designed and created by Daktronics for high schools. It is more than just a teaching tool. It's a launch pad, building the next generation of leaders in event production.
We have video boards both in our stadium and also that you see right behind me here in our gym. We have separate systems that control both of those video boards, and we've had classes that we've started up with our sports media class, and we're using the DakClassroom, which is another component, and then of course the software with frameworks.
This is our first year doing DakClassroom right now, and so we were able to make a local course offering, and in that our kids they go out and they sell the ads now, and they also create the content that goes on the boards. And then on the game days, they actually run the boards themselves. So it's all part of the course, and it helps us to have really sustain itself.
DakClassroom provides educators with a CTE-aligned, ready-to-implement curriculum that takes students through every major component of live event production. From media days to graphics, sponsor integration, camera work, and technical execution, students gain every facet of the production world.
To be honest, this class is super. I have it for next semester too, and I've been thinking to maybe do something in the future, to do this when I graduate and go on to college.
DakClassroom gets students ready for their next big career move in event production, whether it's in college sports or the pros. It helps them build portfolios, write resumes, and ace interviews so they're confident and ready to make an impact from day one. DakClassroom is more than a curriculum. It's a community of passionate educators and students, a pathway to careers, and a movement shaping the future of live event production.